Hi, I'm Scott Shearer. In this video, I'm going to help you avoid a problem encountered by many new Power BI developers. And that is this: when you're building a report in Power BI based on an Excel workbook that is stored in OneDrive, you find yourself unable to refresh that data from the Power BI service. So hang around and I'll explain further. For purposes of this video, I'm a guy sitting at a desk who's been working in Excel, trying to get some numbers together for my management. And because I'd love to get promoted someday, I am going to import this Excel data into Power BI and provide a report to give them additional insights and all the goodness that Power BI has to offer. And my Excel workbook is stored in OneDrive. So let's get going. So all I've done so far is open up Power BI. On the home ribbon, I'll click on Excel Workbook. And is this the right place? Yes, it is. I'll select that file, my financial sample. I'll open it. And let's select this. And it looks pretty good to me. Normally I'd transform the data, but not important today. So let's just bring all this in. Let's let the data load. And as soon as it's done, I would normally create one of the most fabulous reports you've ever seen. But right now I just want to put a card on the report. Let's put sales numbers in there. And this is a proxy for the report that I would create. Now, I'm done with my report. I want to publish it to Power BI and refresh the data once a day. And I'll probably even create a subscription for my management so every day they get an updated copy of this data. So I am going to go File, Publish to Power BI. Do I want to save? Of course I do, and I'll call it Way Important Report. And it gets saved. Now, I need to save it to a workspace, and I've already created a workspace called Way Important Workspace. So I'll select that. And it'll take a few seconds to publish it. Now, I want to go up there and let's go take a look at the report. I'm in the Way Important Workspace. Let's refresh. And I'm going to click on the semantic model and set up the refresh. So I'm clicking on Refresh, Schedule Refresh. And I want you to notice, number one, that credentials are grayed out. It won't let me provide credentials. And when I click on Refresh, I can't do it. The reason I can't do this is because my Excel workbook is stored in OneDrive. And for a variety of reasons, Power BI gets a little confused. It thinks it's a local file. And there are a couple of other reasons as well. But this is an easy problem to avoid. So let me show you another way of doing this that will allow you to refresh your data. So I'm starting over with a blank report. And I am going to use a different connector this time. And for that connector, I'm going to need the URL of the Excel file stored in OneDrive. And it's not really straightforward how you get to this. So let me click here and go to Details. And if I go to the bottom of the details, it'll provide the full path to the file. There you have it. So I'll click right here to copy that back to Power BI. And as opposed to clicking on Excel Workbook, I'll click on Get Data and Web. This time we will select Web. Click there, and I will paste in the URL of the Excel Workbook. Depends where you get the URL from, but sometimes you'll see it with a question mark web equals 1 at the end. If you see that, get rid of the question mark web equals 1. I don't have that here. I'll click on OK and give it a second. And when it pops up, you'll note that this is exactly the same screen we saw when we were treating it as an Excel file. So I just clicked on load. We're going to do the same thing, only we're going to do it quickly this time. I'll put a card on the report, put some data for the card, total sales. Now we're going to go File, Publish to Power BI. Yes, I'll save it, and I'll call it Way Important Report 2. Click Save. We'll send it to exactly the same workspace, the Way Important workspace. In a few seconds, it'll be published. All right, I got it. Now, let's go up to Power BI again. Let's refresh. You see my report there. I'll click on the semantic model, refresh, schedule refresh, and this time it'll allow me to provide credentials. So I'll click on, sometimes it shows the right one, sometimes it doesn't. I want to select OAuth 2, and then I can sign in if I want. It likes that. And since I have provided credentials here, I can come down to the refresh area, expand that, and configure a schedule. And I can even say what time I want. So I'll say add another time. Let's do this at, we'll say 5 a.m. I'll come down. Yep, I've got everything I want, except I need to click apply there. And that's all it takes. So if you run into a situation where you have built a Power BI report off of an Excel workbook stored in OneDrive, know that you won't be able to refresh that workbook, that report, I should say, unless you do what I've just done. And that is, as opposed to selecting Excel when you're bringing the data in, you select web, provide the URL of the workbook, and then go for there. I hope this helps. I have quite a few more videos coming up in the next few weeks, so subscribe and check them out.